My name is Christo Bays. I'm the Regional Manager for Information Solutions at Rockwell Automation in North America.
I am Chris Stefanini. I am the Information Solutions System Integrator Program Manager for North America.
Okay, good. So Rockwell is being an awesome partner for us, more than 25 years. So we are very strong in many regions of the globe. But how do you see, this expansion of the partnership to here to North America?
In North America, Rockwell is a very strong OT company. Mm-hmm. We grew up in the OT world.
Yep.
We were one of the original PLC company. That's where we thrived. Mm-hmm. If you look at the investments that our leadership has made over the years, we've moved up into the area where it plays in MES, the manufacturing execution systems. There's always been that gap between the information technology and the operational technology. That gap has been what a manufacturing execution system provides. That's where this partnership is powerful, because Stefanini has that one foot clearly planted in the enterprise level, the other foot clearly planted in the mid-stack, let's call it, that MES space. Rockwell clearly has a foot planted in the OT space, the operational technology. So if you look at it now, we bridge the entire enterprise with bringing together our two companies at that MES layer, which is the value of this partnership.
So we know that partnerships are, a key part of a Rockwell strategy and Rockwell business strategy, right? So how or what is the unique value or the unique differentiator that you see on Stefanini being part of that partnership ecosystem?
What Stefanini brings to the table is the ability to come in, understand your OT world, understand your IT world, and bring together a comprehensive solution to help you solve that problem. And it's not just about the solution, it's about understanding your current state with your desired future state and building a roadmap to get there.
A lot of customers have invested into certain technologies without that future state in mind. Not every customer has got a single suite of products or vendor technology throughout their operations. How those systems interact with one another, how data flows seamlessly between them, that's the expertise that Stefanini is able to bring to the table through understanding information technology as well as the operational technology. Smart manufacturing is the future of where customers are investing into to grow into the desired future digital state.
It's already a fact that Rockwell has a considerable part of the market, right? So the presence is a fact, right? So how you see that presence combined with we sometimes position ourselves as agnostic in terms of technology. So, but we also are specialized. So how do you see those things working together for the benefit of the customers?
There's a level of collaboration that has to occur, right? A strategic alignment within our organizations. We're sitting across from the table, we're having discussions, we're even having many times discussions with the customer together. So it's not about Stefanini coming to the table and talking about what Stefanini can offer. It's not about Rockwell coming to the table and talking about what Rockwell can offer, but it's the two of us putting our heads together to go, what is the ultimate solution to provide the best value to the customer? The actions we need to take need to be about providing value to the customer, right? What you bring is the value to help them understand and co-create. We bring the understanding of the operational world, and then the two of us together, a great word to replace collaboration, because you've heard me say it 1,000 times and it's probably an overused word. Maybe collaboration needs to be replaced with co-creation, because it is about the two of us co-creating value.
Yeah, and at Rockwell it's all about expanding human possibility. It's about how do we leave the world in a better place for the future generation than what we find it today.